Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rakhi Anand from Dr. Rakhi Anand Physiotherapy and Lifestyle Clinic. So today I am going to discuss about the core. What is core? What is the importance of core? What you understand by the word core? Whenever we listen the word core, what comes in our mind? जब भी हम ये word सुनते हैं core आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? Core is a center part of any body. What is core in your body? What is the function of that core in your body? So today I am going to tell you about what is the core, what is the importance of core, how we can strengthen the core. So core is the center part of our body. Core. If we need to transfer the upper body weight to the lower body, core functions. As vice versa also, shift the weight from the lower body to upper body, our core functions. If we need to stabilize our spine, core functions. Main body balancing, our core should be strengthened. Core strengthening must to maintain the body balance. Proper functioning of our body, core matters. So what includes our core? Core, upper, lower, front, back. We talk about this is our core. In the upper comes a dome shaped structure, that is our diaphragm. Muscles, diaphragm muscle. Diaphragm muscle is the main respiratory muscle. 80% of your respiration depends on the diaphragm. If you strengthen your diaphragm, it increases your oxygen demand, increases your lung function capacity, and ultimately increases your immunity. Yes, if you strengthen the diaphragm muscle, it increases the total tidal volume of your lungs, lung function capacity, capacity to fight against the disease, increases your oxygen demand, helps in regulating your blood pressure and heart rate. This is your upper part of your core. If we talk about the lower part, that is your pelvic floor muscles. That makes the lower part of your core. What are the function of pelvic floor muscles? It controls, it holds your abdominal organs. It holds the urinary bladder, uterus, and other abdominal organs. Pelvic floor muscles plays important role in both male as well as female also. In females during pregnancy it holds the baby, helps in the breathing also. It prevents, if you strengthen the pelvic floor muscle, it prevents the problem of urinary incontinence, uterus prolapsed, major functions of the pelvic floor muscles. This is that makes the upper is diaphragm, lower is pelvic floor. If we talk about like anterior and posterior, front and back. Front comes your abdominals, transverse abdominis, internal and external oblique. These are the abdominal muscles. It acts as a corset. Back, in the back, if we talk about the back muscles, multifidus, erector spinae. This makes the core. Anterior abdominals and posterior spinal muscles, it acts as a lumbar corset. If you strengthen these muscles, you can prevent the problem of your back pain. It helps you maintain the spinal curves, helps you maintain your proper posture. Your sitting would be comfortable. Your spine is in a very good shape. Your if you strengthen your abdominal muscles, your abs will strengthen. It leads to a flat tummy also. If you strengthen your core, your body balance is maintained. So I repeat, core makes your upper, lower, anterior and posterior. ऊपर, नीचे, आगे और पीछे. Upper is your diaphragm, lower pelvic floor muscle, front abdominals and back extensors. That is multifidus and erector spine. This is your core. As I already told you, what is the importance of core? It helps you maintaining your body balance, shifting your body weight, upper body weight to lower, lower body weight to upper. Body balancing controls your posture, controls your curvature, help you increase your strength in your diaphragm, inspiration, your respiration strong, pelvic floor muscles, avoid the incontinence, to avoid the uterine prolapse, supports your pelvic floor or abdominal organs. Abdominals, yes, it regulates your abdominal organs responsible for your stomach activity also. It helps you regulate your constipation and the indigestion problem also. If you strengthen your back muscles, yes, you avoid the problem of sciatica, lumbar canal stenosis, disc prolapse, many other problems. So you should aware about what is core, what muscles makes the core, what is the importance of core. In my next few videos, another video is there for the core strengthening exercise. You can go and check on my Facebook page, that is Dr. Rakhi Anand Physiotherapy and Lifestyle Clinic, my YouTube channel with the same name, Dr. Rakhi Anand and Physiotherapy Clinic and Lifestyle Clinic, and the Instagram handle also. Go and check the core strengthening exercises, how you can strengthen the core, and do your core strengthening to avoid many problems which comes in your daily routine. So this is all about the core. What are the core muscles and what we can do, what helps they can do in your body, what are the main functions of the muscles in your body. So please like, do and share this video so that many people can aware about their own body and can make the changes in their lifestyle, and many other people get benefited from these videos. Feel free to give any comment or any suggestion, any query. I love to answer all your questions. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you and regards.